Hello guys, my name is Eunice Johnny working in Saudi Arabia, and thanks to those ones who have already subscribed to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment if you find my content amazing enough. To my returning subscribers, feel much welcome, and I'm really humbled, and may God bless you, may God increase you, and don't take it for granted. May God increase you, and may God do you well in your life. So guys, in today's video, I just thought of doing this video showing you the kind of panties that you're not supposed to wear, or if you wear them, you should wear them with contention. Okay, so without further ado, let's go direct to our today's topic. So these are the kind of pants I am talking about. You see, these are the kind of pants I'm talking about. You can see this is a net panty. Okay, it's made of net. It's net panty, and we have also this kind of panty whereby it has some net on it. Okay, this has some net on it. I hope you can see it well. This has some net on it, but on the back there is no net, right? So this kind of panty, you find that it's nylon. This is nylon. Okay, this is nylon and it is not cotton. So every panty that has net, if it's a net panty, please don't put it when you are going to work. Maybe you are coming from the house 8 and or 7 in the morning, and then you will go back again 5 to the house. Okay, back to the house after work. So wearing this kind of panty is really so bad, because it will make your day bad. It will spoil your day. Okay, because let me tell you one thing, this panty, if you put it during the day, the whole day, okay, if you put it the whole day, these or these, the nylon type or this type, if you put it the whole day, trust me, you will have bad odor, you will have bad smell. Why? We know very well, we as ladies, we have that white friend, okay, white friend that comes, that cleanses our, okay, like what I can put, how can I put this one? Okay, it's really natural to every lady out here that we have that white friend that comes out of our private part, right? So that friend, guys, it has its own unique smell. Okay, it has its own unique smell. So imagine when that friend comes in contact with this panty, with this kind of panty, you will find yourself smelling so bad. I don't know what's the reason, by the way. The reason as why I'm saying this, myself, I love this kind of pants. I love this kind of pants so much. Net panties, they are my thing, like they are my base, they are my everything. So this is an experiment that I came to know. Okay, so I hope even if you yourself, you know it's true, you can just comment down below. Let's know whether it's true, whatever I'm saying. Okay, so when the fluid comes into contact with the net or with the nylon panty, you find that you will start smearing bad, and I don't know why. It's like that fluid is not suitable with this kind of panties. It's not suitable with this kind of panties. So please, if you want to avoid that smell, okay, if you don't want to have bad smell during the day, if you don't want to have bad odor, and you really know that you love net panties or nylon panties, please make sure you use this one. You use panty liner. If you know that you want to use net panty or nylon panty, use panty liners. Okay, panty liners will at least help you from not having bad smell, because your private part, at least it will be not into direct contact with your panty. As you can see, this kind of panty, inside there is this cotton thing. Okay, there is this cotton thing here on the front. Okay, but this cotton material is not enough for your private part to feel here. Okay, so you will find that it's covering just part of just little part, a very small part of your private part, and the rest, you will find that the rest of the private part will be left touching, being in contact with the with a race, with this race or with this net. So this one, it doesn't even help too much. It doesn't help and it can't solve the problem. Another thing, guys, if you're going in a long distance, okay, very far, maybe you're going day and then maybe you come back at night, please, I would suggest that you buy panty liners. They are so nice for your good, okay, for your hygiene, let me say so, for your hygiene, because at least this one, even if you stay too, okay, like maybe the whole day and maybe at night is when you're coming back, you can still remove this one during the day and be left without panty liner. That is if you're using cotton panty. So if you're going in a very long journey, please don't use this kind of panties, okay? Don't use this kind of panties. If you're going for a long journey, okay, for a long journey, please make sure you use cotton panties. Even if you put cotton panties and you don't use panty liner, you will not have band odor, okay? So cotton panties are the best for us ladies. Cotton panties are the best, and they are the ones that I can suggest to every lady out there. Okay, does it mean that you should not wear this panty? No, you can wear them. Does it mean it's a must all the time when you wear this panty, you wear it with the pant liner? No, it's not a must. You wear it with pant liner all the time. And that is when you know that you are in the house, okay? When you know that you're not going anywhere, you can put this one without pant liner, okay? You can put it without pant liner, especially when you are indoors and you know that you want to surprise your babe, okay? When you know when you know you want to surprise your loved ones, okay, your darling, your sweetheart, your hubby, your husband, wherever, okay, so you can use this kind of thing. Because for example, when you are wearing what we call this for example, when you are wearing transparent dresses or shorts, and then you put this kind of stuffs, it looks so nice on you. It looks like wow, like it's calling, okay, it's calling the attention of your partner. So I think it's really nice when you are indoors, and not when you are indoors and staying with it the whole day. No. When you know that things are about to happen, that is the best time to put this one. Or when you know that this is the right time that my sweet darling is coming back in the house, when you finish taking shower and everything, and now you want to put something that is so attractive, you can use this kind of panty, okay? Also, to those who use stringed panty, also those are not best panty to travel with when you are going for a long travel, okay? So when you're going for a long journey, please make sure you use cotton panties. Spare some cotton panties for you if you're going in a long journey. Another thing, if you know you have vaginal infection, please don't use this kind of panties, because they may make the infection to become more worse, and your condition to be, they will make like your condition to become more worse. So please don't use them. Use cotton. I prefer you use cotton, okay? Use cotton is the best, and it is the best, and it is the best that I can advise you to buy, okay? So so guys, I think that was the only thing I wanted to educate you about these panties and the kind of panties you should wear. Okay, another thing, if you know that you're not that kind of person that uses panty liners, you know there are those people who don't use panty liners, okay? Not a must you use this one. But if you know you are taking the whole day working and you don't use panty liners, then unless if you are in position to change your panty 2 times in a day, or unless you are in possession for example, okay, unless you're in a position whereby you know you will use cotton panty, okay? So if you know that you don't want to use panty liner, make sure if you're going to work, if you're going in your working place, maybe you're going 7 in the morning and coming 5 in the afternoon, please, it's good when you put cotton panty if you don't want to use panty liners. Okay, guys, so I hope you have understood me. And okay, I have a question I want I have an answer to a question I was asked. about pants with menstruation period. So when you stain your pants with menstruation period, my dear, the best time to wash your panty is that moment, that particular moment you stained your panty. Okay, maybe you stained your panty when you are in the house. So that minute, go take shower. After you finish taking shower, please make sure you wash your panty immediately while it's wet, because when you wash it while it's wet, all the dirty will go, okay, will disappear. All the dirty will disappear, and your pant will be left so clean and so white, is if it's white, and it will be left without any stain at all, at all, at all. But you leave it with stain for so long, you might find out that the time you will go to wash your panty, the stains are not disappearing, or you find that your pant will be left with another band, like it will be left with another different color in between here. Okay, so take care on that, take note on that. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hashtag Godspeed. Bye bye.